Hi everyone, welcome to our video on what managers really do and what makes them effective. Whether you're thinking about managing a small business, leading a team, or running a family operation here in Northern California, it's important to understand the key roles and skills of a manager. In this video, we'll break down what managers do every day, the challenges they face, and the qualities that make a great leader. Let's get started. What roles do managers play? Managers wear many hats. According to Henry Mintzberg, a well-known management expert, managers take on many main roles: interpersonal, informational, and decisional. Interpersonal roles means building relationships. Managers are figureheads, leaders, and liaisons. They host events, connect with employees, and form partnerships. They have good relationships, often leading to better information and smoother teamwork. Informational roles that managers have involve gathering and sharing knowledge. Managers monitor what's happening inside and outside of the business. They share key updates with their teams and speak on behalf of the organization to the public or the media. The decisional roles are about making choices. Managers act as entrepreneurs by seeking new opportunities, solving problems with things that go wrong, and deciding how to use resources like time, money, and negotiating deals with others. Being a manager isn't easy. There's never enough time in the day. Work gets interrupted often and demands can pile up quickly. Today, many managers have more people reporting to them than ever before. That means that they need to work effectively, communicate clearly, and stay focused. Managers also juggle competing needs. Employees, customers, supervisors, and investors of all of these people wanting different things. A good manager learns to balance these pressures by focusing on what matters most in the moment. Leadership and entrepreneurship are more important than ever. Managers must spot opportunities, lead change, and build strong teams. They also need to plan for the future, organize resources, direct daily work, and make sure things stay on track. Managers need three key skills: technical skills, human skills, and conceptual skills. Technical skills are knowing how to do the job or task. Human skills are working well with people, motivating teams, and resolving conflicts. While conceptual skills consist of seeing the big picture and understanding how all parts of the business fit together. The mix of these skills changes depending on your position. A store manager, for example, uses more people skills and hands-on knowledge and know-how. A business owner or executive can focus more on big picture thinking and planning. Managers also have different responsibilities depending on their department. A marketing team works more with customers and branding. An operations manager focuses on production and logistics. And in small rural businesses, one person might manage several of these tasks at once. Thanks for watching. Whether you want to manage a local business, run a ranch, or lead a team in your future job, understanding the roles and skills of a manager is a great place to start. Stay focused, stay flexible, and keep learning how to lead effectively. Be sure to complete the assignments that go along with this video, and I'll see you in the next lesson.